Imagine managing your entire project just by chatting with your tool. No long setups, no complicated dashboard, just type what you want and AI builds everything for you. This sounds amazing, isn't it? Today I am reviewing Dart, a powerful AI native project management tool that turns your tasks, the projects into the roadmaps and the reports with just chatting with the AI. So let's see how this work out. So this is the Dart platform, and compared to the Asana, Monday or the Trello, there are so many struggles. Most of the times we just manage the project management tool compared to the task or the projects itself, but Dart is different. It is so much easy. Let me show you out. So I have just added this task, and if I open any of here, for example, let me open this one here. Right now you can see this is no description here, so I don't know how I can do that. Suppose this is the scenario right now, I don't know how to do it or what the things I need to do it. So what I will do here, there's this AI chat option available. Okay, so what I can do, either I can just click here on this AI chat. Okay, and now this will open up here. It's automatically marked my this task here, and here I can just simply chat it with, okay, like what is the new task, how I can plan this project, stand up report, all this stuff. Okay, so right now I want to do like give me steps. Okay, so I am asking the steps to fulfilling this task here, and hit the enter button, and now it will analyze my task, automatically give me the steps that I need to do it here. You can see this is all the steps. So basically this is how the Dart platform built out for your projects, for your tasks, to managing everything. You can use its AI, okay, and it will do it for you automatically. Okay, so right now Dart is available on the app Sumo, starting from the just $59, so you can just get it. Compared to the Asana or the Trello, you are getting the AI powered your project management tool. Okay, and this is going to help you a lot here. So if I go to the its pricing section, you can see we have the around the 5 or the 6 tier plans available here, and every plan can give you the higher limits of the teammates you can add. There's also the webhook and the API access available. So how you are going to use these webhooks and the API, let me also give you a quick view here. So when I click here on the settings, there are the so many integrations going on. So with these integrations, you can just connect with the AI agent. By the way, it has also its own Dart AI that we use normally everywhere, but we can also connect it with the MCP here. If we have the personally, we can connect with the NetN. We have the API, this section, we have the webhooks, and we have also the automations settings available. So we can only access these things if we have the higher plans to the tier 4. Okay, so if you want to get the this webhooks and the API, you need to go at least with the tier 4 plans. But if you don't want, I think the tier 2 plan is sufficient for anyone here. Okay, because here we will get the 5 team members limit. Okay, and we are getting all the most of the features it has available. Like we can just create the subtask blockers. I can just add the shortcuts. This is really a good thing because there are so many shortcuts I can add while using my project managements or the task here. Okay, then we have the custom features available. I will give you the everything, so without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this is how the your Dart dashboard is going to look like. So once you got the lifetime deal, by the way, the link will be given in the description for the lifetime access here. So first it will ask you to get started. So following this step, you can get started, like creating your workspace, make a task, set up your profile picture based off with AI. Okay, so you have to just follow one by one and you will basically understand its feature. So right now this is the home sections available, and in the home you are basically getting the what is your recent task you have done, the upcoming task, or right now going on task here. This is its AI that you can use anywhere on the dashboard here. So right now if I go to the my task, it will show you the task that right now I am working out and still pending out. There's also the so many keywords shortcuts available. Like if I just type the G and M, the my task section will be the open up. This is inbox section available to contact or interacting with your team members. This is its intelligence dashboard. Okay, so in the dashboard you can just change the overview of and the preview of the dashboard. Right now this is the overview for the dashboard, but if I click here on the plus icon, I can also add the more things. Right now it is asking me to upgrade because I am just on the lower tier to give you a demo, but once you are on the, I think, the tier 4 plan, you have the access to all these features here. This is for the report section, so this is just giving you the bird's eye view on the everything. Okay, but right now we have the things like how I can add the task. So if I go to general, by the way, this is the spaces. I can click here on the plus icon and create more spaces with my brand name, with my project name, so that way I can instantly diversify and identify my projects. Okay, so if I go to task, and here I can just monitor all of my tasks, and if I have the new task, I can click it here. So my task is something like the going on the marketing budget overview. So I will search the marketing budget selection. Okay, so this is the new task for here. Same way I can create the more. So when I click here on the open, this will be the open. So in the new task I can add the more to dos. So simply click here. Right now this is doing done or to do here. Yeah, it is still in the to do here. So it will ask me to add the description. I can add it here, or I can just divide it into the multiple subtasks. So simply click here on the subtask. Okay, so this is how it will open up. So might be possible you don't know what the next thing you have to do, how you can just divide it in the subtask. So simply click here on this AI. Okay, now simply click here, give me the subtask. Okay, I will add, or simply ask it here, give me subtask for this. Okay, and okay, there's the spelling mistake, let me improve it, and now this is going to just give me the subtask here. Okay, it's automatically going to identify, or the just added a tag marketing budget selection. This is the task I have created, and this is all the subtasks it has created. So now I can add it here. Okay, so that is really a cool thing. Now let me close this one and select any of the other tasks. So let's select this one here. Okay, and again there are the same things going on. I can also do the more things, like created a minute ago with this one, last updated. This is going to give the activity. Okay, so basically this is how its main core feature. We have also the other things as well, like I have told you the integrations with the AI agents here. So we have this one, that the agents, and right now I have only the access with the Dart AI, but if you have access with the others ones like the Clay, CodeGen or the Predis, you can also install it here, and now it will be integrated with your that platform as well. Okay, then this is all the other agents options available, like ChatGPT we have the Annette, and if I want to automate this stuff or just automate the my reporting, okay, we have this automation sections available to just giving the access to used in the Annette or these integrations here. Then we have this calendar integration available. So this is all about this platform. Still there are so many things that you will learn once you start using the Dart platform. The possibility is huge because there's the AI involved that can help you to brainstorm new tasks, plan this project, stand up report, or write a change log. There's also the skill settings available that will help you to configure its AI more better for your task. So if you get its lifetime deal, link is given in the description. And for my suggestion, I think the tier 4 plan gives you the more access to its automations, agents and the AI. So if you have the budget, go for it. And if somehow you are not happy, there's also a 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow you can just refund it and your 100% money will be backed. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.